From meh to wow, welcome to this guide on AI image tools. We'll explore 7 cutting-edge tools that have changed how we create content. If you want to improve your visual content with AI, you're in the right place. This guide is for designers, content creators, and anyone interested in AI-generated images. Introduction. We'll look at 7 top AI image tools. DALL E3 by ChatGPT, Midjourney, Meta AI's Imagine, Microsoft's Designer AI Image Generator, Canva's AI Image Generator, Adobe Firefly AI Art Generator, and MyMood AI. Each tool has unique features that can boost your content creation. We'll see how these tools can be used for various tasks, from making concept art to designing marketing materials. We'll also discuss how AI-generated images are changing different industries and reshaping visual content creation. DALL E3 by ChatGPT. DALL E3, made by OpenAI, is an advanced AI image generator built into ChatGPT. Its main features are easy to use through ChatGPT, creates detailed and creative images, only needs a text description to work. DALL E3 is great at making diverse and creative images, but it might struggle with putting text in precise spots in images. It's perfect for quickly making stunning visuals on various themes. You can refine your prompts by chatting with the AI, leading to more precise results. It's useful for concept artists, writers looking for visual ideas, and marketers creating eye-catching campaign visuals. Midjourney. Midjourney is known for creating artistic and surreal visuals. Here's what to know. Focuses on artistic, dreamlike images. Uses simple text prompts. Great for artistic projects. Midjourney might not be the best for realistic photos. Artists and creators who want a unique style love it. It's great at turning abstract ideas into striking visuals. This makes it valuable for concept artists, game designers, and illustrators pushing their creative limits. Users can see and interact with others' creations, fostering a collaborative and inspiring environment. Meta AI's Imagine. Meta AI's Imagine offers versatility in image creation. Key points: can create both realistic and imaginative images. Available through Meta's platform. Handles various types of prompts well. Imagine is powerful, but sometimes the outputs might need tweaking to match specific needs. It uses Meta's vast visual data to create relevant and diverse images. This is great for social media marketers, content creators, and businesses making visuals for platforms like Facebook and Instagram. It's good at understanding and creating images based on current trends and popular styles. Microsoft's Designer AI Image Generator. This free tool from Microsoft is an easy way to start with AI image generation. No technical skills needed. Lets you fine-tune generated images. Great for making social media graphics and blog pictures. While it might not always make the highest quality images compared to specialized tools, it's very easy to use for quick image creation. It's great for small businesses and individual creators who need professional-looking visuals without spending much time or money. It works well with Microsoft's other tools, making it easy to add AI images to documents and presentations. It's also good for teachers who want to use AI-generated visuals in their lessons. Canva's AI Image Generator. Canva Magic Media adds AI image generation to their popular design platform. Works within Canva's existing tools. Offers ways to adjust generated images. Great for adding AI images to larger design projects. While Magic Media might not offer as much detail as specialized AI generators, it works well with Canva's other tools for efficient design work. It complements Canva's existing design tools well. Users can easily add AI-generated elements to their designs, which is great for creating marketing materials, social media posts, and presentations. It understands design principles and can create images that fit well with existing templates. Adobe Firefly AI Art Generator. Adobe Firefly is a professional-level AI art generator. Creates detailed, professional art. Works well with other Adobe Creative Cloud tools. Good for digital paintings and illustrations. Firefly needs an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and might be harder for new users to learn. It's valuable for professional designers and artists who know Adobe products. It can create high-quality, vector-based images that are easy to edit in programs like Illustrator. This is great for professional design workflows. It understands design principles and can create images that follow specific brand guidelines, making it useful for corporate design teams and agencies working on big branding projects. MyMood AI. MyMood AI offers a unique way to create personalized images. Uses selfies to create custom images. Great for YouTube thumbnails and social media graphics. Creates content that connects with your audience. MyMood is good at creating personalized content, but the quality depends a lot on the input photo quality. It's particularly useful for content creators building a personal brand. It can create consistent, recognizable visuals across different platforms using selfies. This is great for influencers, vloggers, and social media marketers who want a consistent visual identity. It's also interesting for businesses wanting to create more relatable visual content for marketing. Conclusion: these 7 AI image tools offer different ways to improve your content creation. From artistic images to personalized graphics, each tool has unique features for different needs. As AI technology grows, trying these tools can open up new possibilities for creative expression and efficient content production. Each tool has its strengths and best uses. DALL-E 3 is great for diverse and creative images, Midjourney for artistic and surreal visuals, Meta AI's Imagine is versatile, and Microsoft's Designer is easy for beginners. Canva's Magic Media works well with a popular design platform, Adobe Firefly is for professional needs, and MyMood AI offers unique personalization. The future of AI in image creation is exciting. As these tools improve and new ones appear, we can expect more innovative ways to create and change visual content. Whether you're a professional designer, a marketer, or just interested in creative possibilities, these AI image tools offer an exciting way to use AI-assisted visual creation. By understanding each tool's strengths, you can improve your visual content and stay ahead in this fast-changing field. If you liked this guide and found it helpful, please like this video. It helps others find this content and lets me know it was useful. If you think someone else could benefit from this information, please share it. Lastly, if you want to stay updated on the latest in AI technology and creative tools, please subscribe to the channel. You'll get future tutorials, reviews, and insights into AI-assisted content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to see how you'll use these AI image tools in your creative projects.